Hello YouTube, I am TomBomb615. Welcome back to NBA2K19. We're doing something a little bit different this time. I got a gift card at GameStop and I figured, well, I might as well spend it on my Myteam. So as you can see right here in the purchase VC screen, there's a Myteam bundle that really caught my eye and I figured, well, I have to buy it. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase it and we'll see what happens. And just like that, transaction's complete. We're way up in VC, and we have all these packs to open up now. So I'll give you a quick look at my team right now. See, that's my collection. This is my lineup right now. I currently picked up a few reward cards, but right now it's not looking good. I got an 80 overall team, not terrible, solid bench. But yeah, the team's not looking that great. It gets the job done, but obviously we're looking for an upgrade. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the Free Agent Deluxe. We're just gonna crack this league box. Now this is the first time I've really done a pack opening. First time I really bought a box, so hopefully this is exciting. Ooh. Okay, so right off the bat, I believe that's an opal, the green. Let's see. 82 D'Angelo Russell, nice. It's a good start. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh. See, I'm not familiar with any of the names. I believe that's a Sapphire? Let's see. 88 John Wall! Let's go! It's immediately going to be our starting point guard. Alright. Next pack. Another opal. Let's see. 82 Tobias Harris. I'll take it. I mean, honestly, all of these are upgrades from the team that I had. See, another 80 overall. Julius Randle, good card. Ooh. Okay. Well, oh, the zebra ball. That's actually kind of nice. Okay, let's see. 84 Jaylen Brown. Very nice. Let's get it. 81 Dwight Howard, the oldie. I like that. I'll take honestly everything I can get. Markieff Morris. Okay. Before we open the Free Agent Deluxe, let's go to the pack market. Let's see what we can get. Let's see. So these are guaranteed pink diamond and guaranteed diamond. I feel like I have to do that. Alright. Let's see who we got as my diamond. And get the achievement. This card. No way. '95 overall Michael Jordan. That's amazing. No way. I thought it was gonna be like D Rose or something. Holy crap. That's a great pull. Alright, well we can do the pink diamond now. I mean, I don't think you can beat MJ. Let's just see. Raptors, why? How loud? It's harder. 98 signature series started. I was shooting too low with Kawhi and Kyle Lowry, I guess. Wow. Okay, my team's doing that. We can get a dynamic duo pack. Let's do one of those. And then I'll save the rest for, I don't know, another game mode, maybe. I think that'll be good. Oh, is that a diamond? It is! I thought it was just a silver. And there's a Kobe. No way. What a pull, and that's just from a regular pack. Okay, well, might as well get my money's worth. See if we can get another one of those. Holy crap, what a great... a pink diamond? Okay, I wish I had a better reaction, but I'm just pulling away. Magic Johnson, 97 overall. Wow. Okay, I think my my team might be stacked by this point. And we still got that free agent pack, too. This was a really good purchase. Wow. Okay, free agent deluxe packs. Yeah, I'm glad we didn't... We spent all the time on the other ones. Because Kyrie Irving and Damian Lillard, that's pretty good. Alright, well... Holy crap. Wow. 99's all-around in system proficiencies. A's and A pluses. 20 Hall of Fame badges. That is insane. Okay, well, as you can see right now, the team as it is sitting on a 81 overall, which means the best available, and we are at a 98 overall team. That is absolutely nuts. Well, maybe I'll get some gameplay in. Who knows? But as of right now, that's the pack opening. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really got my money's worth with that. But other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed. I'm TomPom615, and I'm still shocked. Have a great day, guys.